when you look at the Malaysia stock market, I think in fact this week basically we're going to give pair trades for most of the markets. Okay, for Malaysia, I think we have buy on public bank. I think if you look at the consolidation, holding up quite well. I think if you look at the pullback from the August high of 484, kind of find support near the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, and I think since then they have been building a base around this level where my cursor points to, and I think right now I think the share price is going to test the 30-day and 50-day SMAs over the next few days. Once a breakout takes place, basically we'll expect more upside ahead. On the flip side, I think we see downside risk on Aeon Credit. I think if you look at the share price, the correction from the high back in June 19, I think basically when you look at the chart, it does not look complete yet. Okay, I think last Friday share price actually violated the 200-day SMA. Shows that I think even though early on it has actually bounces back above, selling pressure was just too strong. Okay, I think if you look at the moving averages, 30-day it still remain below the 50-day SMA. So I think the bears that basically have the upper hand here. For Indonesia, we have buy on SPX Industry Indonesia. I think if you look at the share price, yes, the correction was quite sharp, but generally speaking, I think if you look at the uptrend channel form since June, pretty much intact. Right now, support surface near the buying momentum surface near the support trend line. So basically for this stock, you should keep your stop tight because as long as the stop loss is not triggered, basically the uptrend is that. But once it is triggered, once it is breached, then I think the whole landscape may change. On the flip side, I think we have sell call on PP London Sumatra. I think share price hit a high, failed to push the candles above. So seems like there is a double top pattern in the making. Share price now is heading towards the 50-day SMA. Another round of sell-off may happen if this moving average fails to hold. For Philippines, we have buy on BDO Unibank. Share price found the support close to the 76.4% Fibonacci retracement level. I think if you look at the RSI, it has hooked upward. So seems like I think the odds is now favoring the boost. Flip side, Nickel Asia, share price is still on the downtrend. I think the biggest concern now is I think the candles have fallen below the SMAs, and I think if you look at the 30-day SMA has just cut below the 50-day SMA. For Singapore market, we have buys on Jardine Cycle and Carriage. I think if you look at the share price holding well above the 30-day and 50-day SMAs, this seems like a base building formation, and hence I think after months of consolidating sideways, we think it is ripe for a new upleg. For the sales call, basically we have Sze Chiah. I think share price bounces to a high in September, but I think now it is actually on a downward trend. Okay, sitting a tad above 50-day SMA. So today will be crucial. If this level gives way, expect another down leg. For Thailand, we have buy on TMB Thanachart Bank. I think the long-term support uptrend is still intact. Right now, I think share price is heading towards there, but we think some support has formed. If you look at RSI, it has hooked upward. So basically, it shows that momentum is slowly picking up. On sell call, basically, we have Bamboo Public Company. Share price violated the 200-day SMA, so don't have to say much. Another blue candle in this case basically will validate the bearish moves. For Vietnam, we have buys on Maybank Corp. Basically, I think if you look at share price, found the support near the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, and since then share price has actually bounces back above 30-day and 50-day SMA, and it is poised to challenge the 200-day SMA soon. And last stock, we have sell on Petro Vietnam. I think share price violated a key support trend line last Friday, so I think another blue candle today basically will validate the bearish move. What do you